If you're seeing a 500 error on x.com or Twitter, don't panic. An HTTP error 500 is an internal server error, and that usually means the problem is happening on X's servers, not on your device. So in this video, I'll show you the quickest way to handle it and what to do next. First, the most important thing to understand is that a 500 error is usually not something you can fix with a setting on your phone or computer. It often happens when the platform is having a temporary issue on the back end. That means the best first step is simply to wait a little while. So go ahead and wait about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, refresh the page and try loading X again. In many cases, the error disappears on its own once the server issue is resolved. If it still isn't working, the next thing to check is whether X is down globally. If the site is having a larger outage, then the error is not just affecting you. You can quickly confirm that by checking a status page or looking to see if other people are reporting the same issue. If lots of users are seeing the same problem, then the best move is to wait until X brings the service back online. There usually isn't anything else you need to do on your end. So to recap, an x.com or Twitter 500 error usually means a server-side issue, not a device issue. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, refresh the page, and check whether the site is down globally. That's the fastest way to deal with it. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.